Owusu Bempah eda wo be se bi wanu akaseti Bawumia bi no Bawumia na ka che say wo Ghana gas wonu di nkrofo ma Bawumia na ka che say wo Ghana gas wonu wo Owusu Bempah wo be se wudi wo bi no mpeni a wuti bi yi na di Bawumia na ka che say wo ne ma enwo ba wo nhwe wo mo wo npa aduane mo mu ni mebo Bawumia na ka che say ma Afia mfa girl mmerewo na wudi ni wi awa ma ni fake check wudi agini Bawumia di bi wo Sankwala 50 na ID wo mo Ghana gas wa you stop 50 family from voting. Shut the fuck up.
Afia Schwar Exp0sed and the strong one in the ama Owusu Bempah way enye osofo Owusu Bempah nemo MPP mu Ernest Owusu Bempah e chere papa no plane enye plane fa se Owusu Bempah na enye din a ono Afia Schwar Exp0sed say nsem o de be ba fa papa no ho any secret papa no ebra no owo Ghana gas amanfo yire no mu nantam srade otete we man peace kololo v shape papa no yeso didi agro no promise you so be momodwuma ni nyina no so no na road rather sem papa no anye dia nsem o de be ba bontin no ono obeje ne ho gina na ensem nso ka ho amede ebromesel se oba no subscribe no share na abusuya no etunya kwaso ayekese na before me dey ensem no breakdown no ebebro no make am for venting consultancy amount se ope genuine visa de atukwan de free Ghana ha akọ UK USA Canada Europe amount hodo na aka say ye Germany Belgium ene echirichiri ni benche ope dwumaku a ebetumi ajo visa de ama omfa entro matra makwa bukata ye babadi usika bia di no kyena nko ofrom omfa eye venting consultancy pe ana make am for amount se masomo na mahwe ana make am for amount se me nkan for adebone emfa amount fa empanifo numbers na da screen so ne empanifo monkomo na empanifo kiremu se omo je Schengen visa de ama ankwankwa dumaku individual pe Schengen visa de atukwan onsaka Schengen visa ibia obetumi de akọ 29 countries a Vincent consultancy pe ni betimi adi sa adwuma we amount from penifo numbers na da school no so visit on social media handles no bo hu amanfo visit ya gi amanfo bibiri na dodo na nso no edu am ho dance ya awusia ya ma yensem ne so enti Ernest Owusu Bempah a deputy communication director at the New Patriotic Party Osono Amanyoko MPP ebebi nso atwam nso na ye executive director the Ghana National Gas adwumaku no na no akwakoyika ewo Oyerepa FM so MPP for plane enye plane fa se enano da December 7 abato ayekoto ye ma Osono Amanyoko MPP edi nkukuo ne dodo na ye fa sobo no mfambo Dr. Bawumia na papa kasemu na o kiremu se ono Owusu Bempah ni kiremu se okọ grounds na manfo bebre na so de ntio manto abano amfama MPP na no da December 7 abato no ne dodo da na Bawumia fi se Bawumia enye the right choice e ma Osono Amanyoko MPP.
But this time round on a normal change, look at the perception and the political atmosphere and the whole there are so many things that is going on in this country. Ghanaians are getting, the youth for this country, they're losing interest in politics. The MPP party for the first time, I'm a taxi driver. Mr. Bempah, for the first time, I'm a Obama NDC, the MPP. Or you need card. The reason is that Yaya and find the right candidate that you want to come and vote for. And these are evidence on the ground. God is my witness. It's a joke. Say you better. Niya ke kanse mo ana chire yakwaso ye do ba 3 times and ye do ba 4 times and it yemfa we and now we. That is not the thing that we are saying. We are listening to the ordinary Ghanaian people what they are saying. Maybe they have no opinion me co grounds so they man foka and I make me opinion. It's got nothing to do with Professor Marco committee.
No, but make you are jumping the gun.
Yeah, politicians, yeah, political party. What you say? Mimpe we inti na store mu nyoma dos.
Right.
Me na be the busa be no tia se ko busa nana. And what busa me na me dia to say the future of MPP depend on these two gentlemen. And has made it emphatic. And now busa said, yeah, I'm saying me call ground so taxi driver no be who Owusu Bempah oni MPP ni Owusu Bempah. Mo ba Owusu Bempah mo anfa so esi ama ye to aba. And what busa me the reason why na me chow the reason why it's got nothing to do with Professor Marco committee. This is everywhere. People, I was in New York. I was almost heckled by a Ghanaian community in New York. Say ye two mu for amuntu ko radio so am kanse mu. Mun fa su mesimra Kennedy Agyapong ra ye beto ba. And it's not a joke that I'm sitting here talking about something. I'm talking about what I am hearing. And God is my witness. I'm not going
so
to
you agree that
talking about anything.
So you admit
yes
and agree. Said 2024 no. you presented the wrong candidate.
I don't know.
No, you presented the whole thing.
I don't know.
From what you are saying,
I'm saying
taxi driver, the community someone New York,
I'm not here.
So you present the wrong candidate in 2024. I'm not here to condemn anybody.
Candidate.
I'm making inferences on what you are saying.
Tell you what the ordinary Ghanaian are saying.
The people prefer Agyapong over Bawumia.
Why? Put your camera on the streets of Accra. Put your camera.
So you presented the wrong candidate.
Put your camera.
So clearly you presented the wrong candidate for this.
Listen, put your camera.
It's one candidate I'm going to call.
Put your camera on the streets of Accra. Put your camera there. You are a grassroots person. Who will be a own pack away free person. Go down there with the hidden camera and ask the ordinary people why they refuse to vote. 2.1 million people decided not to go and vote. 2.1. You think it's a joke? But MPP party base party supporters and Uncle Tuaba. Do you know what that means? Do you know what that means?
What does it mean?
That's why I don't want to put the card before the
What does it mean?
Let Professor Michael Quick committee in the assembly. Or the we are. But that's
the point I'm making to you. It's just okay. No, then you can make your argument based on the report. All of facts.
The argument, listen,
all of facts.
As one county say, the argument has got nothing to do with what I'm saying here. It's got nothing to do with it. Unless you want to play mischief. But I know the minister, you're a journalist, you want your answers. But what I'm trying to tell you now is that we're starting about Facebook.
Of course, me Facebook.
Yes. And I've told you.
And I'm asking you, are jumping the gun.
I'm not a coward. I will just say it and say it again. This is what me Kramaswabu. Sometimes me Timifia, Ununipa Baha day. Ever can some today. Almost titi party in Bebre one who access to this year. I'm on for a bank every day. Me, I'm a free person. Who say me nama? Every day I am all over the place. And I hear things and I see things. And this is what the ordinary people are telling us. Etinya me na mebe tran baby. Akase we anase say. No kure na da ho no. E na obusa am say me dia betu me Facebook wall. E na obusa me. E na me ka kire wo say.
So you want MPP to change their candidate in 2028?
That's what the ordinary Ghanaian.
That's what you want.
That's what the ordinary. That is what Ghana for can. Ghana need a leader. Who me have been working around great leaders in this country. No, I see a leader when I see one. Me personally, Owusu Bempah. Nobody can take my views for granted. Meaning the maker, the leader who has the sterling connection with the ordinary people. Me say opa me core grounds is here. Now kubusa the ordinary Ghanaian on the ground. Say MPP 1 year more than about moving two. Ooh, you Kumasi boy. But go and find out from the people in Swami magazine. Go there, go to Swami magazine, go to KJTia, go to the ordinary taxi driver and listen to them. Papa ono dia mo de ba on the papa we there on the discipline. Papa we there ono dia no or a no nonsense person. Papa we there on the ba ono dia no kure no beka no kure. Ghanaian people are yearning for the truth. Somebody who will tell the truth to the ordinary Ghanaian, who oxes the interest of Dr. Bawumia not to contest the elections. He was on Paul-Agyapong's program 3 months ago. What has changed? Or can you say it will be in his own interest? Some contest election because the Ghanaian people, anytime they be polar, if they change Bawumia, any other candidate, the vote appreciate. Yes, go and check his first report. Paul-Agyapong's program. Go and check the archives. Go and check the archives.
But this is the latest one.
The same Musa Dankwa.
But this is the latest one.
I am telling you that the ordinary.
Just this month, yeah.
Listen, Musa Dankwa, I believe is credible report.
Right.
What I'm saying is, what has changed? The same report that Odeba Bonti. What you say? The same ordinary political science lecturer or Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology on Square report will say MPP need to change their candidate if they want to win an election.
I think you're talking about the James people.
Yes, go and find out. Me person and then who buy and who food input ya. Remember all the stats. And na yen so a your ground so a yetie. Me also be to abay metie o. Metie the Ghana for ka. Metie the Ghana for the ordinary Ghanaian say. And history will never be kind to MPP if we don't. But then me person may go there. But this is what the ordinary people. No, his point is that he made mistake, but that does not mitigate say the fact say 80% or 90% or 70%. This is 70%.
No, should be blamed on Akufo-Addo.
I totally disagree with it.
70%.
Anybody who say
should be blamed on Akufo-Addo. So you're lost in 2024.
The same person's legacy is what we are going to use for 2020 and 2028 elections. What are you talking about? Akufo-Addo's achievement is what a political party is going to use. At the Domama 2016, when Owusu election abysmal in this country and confirmed to Burkina Faso, they were able to rebrand this and brought him.
So why don't you rebrand Bawumia? Why don't you rebrand Dr. Bawumia and make the people appreciate him?
There are a lot of things that is coming under it that you don't know. But because
rebrand Bawumia, make people appreciate him.
They say, and no now ordinary Ghanaians say, why are they telling us that?
Akufo-Addo was rejected in 2016. More rebranded, no. It's more rebranded Bawumia.
Listen, that is a question that you are saying. You see a critical question. But there be one more. Obo no po enye yi. I just saw those sa any see peg asana yi. Oti ase ade bia do obi fie enye yi. Odi koyi obi fie se ho. Bebu na mibu. Onyansafo na ti onyansafo ase. Until the ordinary people, what they are telling us is not what you want to hear the next day. Because NDC, Ebi Omofo said Mahama is the only candidate, but the MPP people believe that they need a new candidate that will resonate to the ordinary people. That the ordinary people want that person to be the leader.
So after so can in a new patriotic party, Amanyoku supporters ni be actually papa ni playing any playing for oh in some how can you name fakwem ne dudu okura na MPP entumi anwini power na yemfa yensa entretre so me na make say queen Afia Schwar Valentina ji wase na bibiri na edifre no no abechire mu se papa ni nye di efise secret ono Afia Schwar say ekura no efa Ernest Owusu Bempah bonsu ekura no no so kaso de babontia ensem ebeha.
One horrible things about womanizers is they are fucking liars. Bema bia wo pema bia nso so nka no kore. Bema ne ho ye ne de. Bema bi wo pema ne yinu bebiri onka no kore. So I'm not surprised that Kofi Owusu Bempah abo papo. Ode ne ho akobo Kennedy Agyapong because they both liars. Owusu Bempah Eda ubese bi wanu akaseti Bawumia bi no. Unuane you have me to deal with. Uje Eda wanu ebesa kwotena radio so etwa ntro ato Bawumia so no. Bawumia ne ka che osa wo Ghana gas wonu di nkrofo ma. Na promise wo mo se obema mo adwuma bra wo ma wo mo. Bawumia ne ka che osa mo Ghana gas no wo Owusu Bempah obese wudi wo bi ni wo mpeni a wotimi bi yi na di. Bawumia ne kai. Bawumia ne ka che osa wo ne ma enwo ba won hwe wo mo won pa aduane mo mu ni mebo a Bawumia na ka che osa ma Afia mfa girl mmerew na wudi ni wi awa ma ni fake check Bawumia ne ka asa ne cho wudi agimi Bawumia di biem network Bawumia di biem why o say won ka no kore baby abin bia usi ho. If you want to follow Kennedy. However, you contributed to our loss. Wo Sankwala 50 na di wo mo Ghana gas wa. You stop 50 family from voting. Shut the fuck up. What them catch on? Now when him chia sa ba Akufo kwan no. Kopa duro no. Nkwasi ade. Wo ba na woni asemasi wo no na. Me ko stress ka e koma girl no 20. What me dey na go school? Wo jimi no. Be baba wo me din biem. Na send this for no. Omo be hwem na 24-hour economy no mo promise Ghana for no my no. Omo tire na bie wa no anyen. Ubie wa no anyen. Ubie no omo kwache den Reverend Fodo. Na obi ka asem ne ye china. Enka airbag na ye friend Sam George no kote ho. So obi ka asem ene ye china. Enka airbag no Sam George nko ne nam ho. Enko ne nam ho. Ah? Mo ba hwem na mo ba Ghana for kania no mo nya jimi no. Dia mo ya ne chese konkonte no mo aye. Ai, narcotic drug control for NDC, narcotic drug control for and mo control drugs. Mo aye. Dia mo ya ne chese mo aye. Ai. There NTDA mo koche member of parliament like a tyrant. Hey. Anya fuso dia ze mo nya aduma. Mo nya aduma. Mwana jimi no ma Ghana for 24-hour electricity. Mubahu ye kwache no obi ka asem ye kwache na ko kuje tabla kwa wane na mo enkwaye ne sesa paso wane na mo mudi chasiri mudi amunche
abusia na Afia Schwar ensem ni bi no ne wakasa gire mu se Owusu Bempah wanye din no ankasa iye anfa Dr. Bawumia ho a obetu nasum obeti gombe sounds na yebekwa so de ye ne nsem na chi na de yebeto fom bia ba nso no ye de bema ahwefo ne etifo mesew se oba no subscribe no ahye na abusua no atumi akoso ayekesena before meja mo amiakon mekanfo Grassroots company limited in Rosa ameshane za Agyapong de amount se infection bacteria bi abeje ni pedua na kenten so oba ya na dum fiti kwachi a oti ya oti pains wase fidua mbro no so bi atumete honka moja nkache se eflow edema wo ewon se bom na emayi 2-3 days na etwa akwaje mpanifo ndro bi infertility or prostate problems ya de bone wampa no akira kwan be hawo kwaje bi na omuhindi ya ba mesha no eba malaria fever typhoid diabetes so blood pressure na yade etai kwaje bi na zaman capsules no ye memedro ebe mo agina so brane se besisi ya de sexual weakness low sperm count kwaje mpanifo ndro bi na endo ya mabobosi FD ayu maji atum se ye open do to akọ pharmacy herbal stores bi ebenwa onsa ebeka mpanimfo ndo ya maboboso yi ebi ye from dan kwesi prince mesel so ba no subscribe no ahye na ebusua na timi akoso ayekese nyame e adoma da se ne biem ebedi ahye mu makraw.